Today we're at this house in North Philly. We gotta do some tree trimming and do some bids here at this house. I'm gonna give you a quick before we go up on the roof. You see what kind of, this is one of them houses that'd be nasty. Like, this is the kind of stuff we got to work in. So I always got the mask on for most part, because these places be really, really disgusting. You can see. Basement ain't as bad because about 6 months ago we did a mold treatment here. We did all the walls and the ceilings, treated them and painted them. Looks like it might be missing a window here. It is missing a window. Take a quick ride upstairs and then we'll get to the tree trimming. Still worried about coming to these houses because anybody could still be in these places. No one paying attention to these places at all. Show you the job we're about to take on. Gotta cut this tree up here hanging over the roof. That's my ladder walk, pretty good distance. But yep, as soon as I get up there, I'll get set up and we'll start recording. All right, you're good to go in there. I gotta put ball. Hold on, can I get you? Here. This one over. You know what? This one too, right here. Oh yeah, okay. These are difficult. Get them on the back of the truck now. I'm gonna have some bits to slow coat this roof and all. One hanging over the fire, over the chimney right here. This is where they're perfect on this part. If we can we reach out and take this whole thing? I'll do it. I'll sit on the roof and do it. You want me to do it? The power line's right there. I know, but you want me to do it? No. Like that. Down without a hit. Alright. Yeah, that's the power line. This is all connected to the power line. Fuck that. Drop them in the middle. Right down. That's it already. Tree's already done. All we gotta do is now put these branches on the truck and that's it. Some bits here and then we're on our way to the next job. Remember, for all your preservation needs, contact Will & Sons Preservation LLC. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. All right, peace out.